shiny yellow energy bars.
What's the scent?
Energy, which smells like Sprite in your nose. This one's like a swirly. It looks like an orange dream machine.
I'm gonna go real slow up close. Lovely. What scent is that?
It's energy.
Nice.
Ooh, I don't even know what this is.
Does it feel like Christmas? Alright, you gotta smooth out the edges. Get that knife right here.
That one seems pretty good on that side, but still. So that one's.
Okay, cut that.
Let's unmask and then I'll cut.
Do you like to cut the edge off right here or keep it whole?
So that's the end piece. I'll just put it in
I'm
there.
asking you, do you usually cut off the end pieces?
No, but I think it's good because it makes it look nice and clean.
What's it smell like? Pine.
Pine.
Fresh pine.
Fresh pine. This is a nice Christmas bar.
Oh yeah?
Because pine is a nice Christmas and winter smell. And I like the fact that you use the white and green colors.
Oh, you're proud of me.
I am. We could always throw snowflake toppers on it too if we wanted to. Just get that, purchase that.
The color's not too outlandish for a holiday. It's not in your face like a red and
No.
green.
This one's a little funky.
Funky.
The
You made it Maggie. You got it nice
thick.
and thick.
Oh, thick.
A little thicker. It's okay. Every now and then it's nice
So
to
we've
get
got a
treat.
thinner bar simply because we have a thicker Maggie bar. Whatever. So next unmold will be our Fight Club. Let me wipe off my knife. This one down. Are you ready? I'm excited to cut this one.
What's the scent on this?
This one?
Yeah.
I think you did cedarwood.
Cedar.
Yeah, it's cedarwood.
Lovely. Yep. Cedarwood and aloe.
It's an
Base.
aloe, yeah, it's an aloe loaf with
Aloe.
cedarwood scent.
Does that fit a Fight Club theme for you?
It's pretty nice and pink.
Just a nice little simple pink bar. I think it's pinker with the depth in the whole loaf.
Mm-hmm. So that means we might want to darken up
Darken
the
it up.
color, because that was what I was afraid of. I'm like, I feel like it's bright on the top layer when we're looking at it, but the bottom layer was not getting as pink as I
Still
would have
looks
preferred.
beautiful.
It is
I
a
like
beautiful
it.
pink bar, cedarwood bar. It's a good plain. Since the size, I'd say that's a $3 bar because it's not a full blown.
Your mom's a $3 bar. Oh, your face. Ooh. Nice. What was your inspiration on this bar?
Fight Club. Oh, well, we're out today. We need to make sure we get more baggies. That's going to be a requirement. last bar.
It's a slow little teeter. Let it fall back. Sexy hands. Sexy hand. Teeter it back. Get that glare. Oh.
You can see my fingers through it, right?
Yeah, it's super translucent. How's it smell?
Like cedar wood.
Wonderful.
Okay, so here's this extra from that loaf. Finally. And I do want to cut it up because I want to see what it looks like inside. Oh, it smells so good. Sorry. I'm really excited about this, but it smells really nice. Oh my God, it smells so good. Sorry, I just want to sniff it. Like really bad.
Nice. Looks beautiful.
It is beautiful. I got it. Oh my God, it smells so good. Just a minute. Oh. Sorry, this might be my favorite smell so far. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. Cut some feet. Did it not swirl at all? Oh no. Okay, so then I gotta correct and fix. Ooh, a little swirl is starting to show. I'm gonna turn it on its side. Will it fit still? Yeah, well, good. Because I feel like if I cut it on its side, the layers won't separate as much. I'm gonna give it a try and see. Turn it right side back up again. I was hoping it would make a difference, but I don't think it will.
I was trying for a good angle, having to just cut it up in pieces, seeing that skeleton. It was a cool visual.
Tiniest bit of a swirl happened there. So when I make this loaf again, because I will, I'm going to not wait as long because I
pour those toppers and have them adhere on each time. You know?
Well, I'm frustrated because I wanted to have a
Nice, very nice the way you did that.
I wanted to have a swirl. Like this was meant to be down into here, kind of like how my chamomile was, and it didn't turn out the way I had anticipated. So now the question comes, do I leave the head as a giant square or do I slice it like the rest of it?
Slice it. You kidding me? Absolutely slice it.
Oh my god. Sorry. It just smells so beautiful to me. I love fresh cut roses. It's one of my most all-time favorite smells that I...
Now for you to do square bars with a whole skull on it, that could be something
And
else.
flowers.
To
I could do
where
the same. I could achieve...
You can just do skull, square, skull, square, skull, square, and only have like 4 squares.
Well, we have that square silicone one too, where I could do the same thing, and the circle mold too, where I could do an individual skull.
I'm talking about busting out 3 or 4 all in one sitting.
Okay.
I don't want to do singulars. I'd rather just get right to the point and, like this one, sell this as a full bar.
Full loaf.
It's great.
Ooh, do I need to cut this one up for you too?
It has to be cut up.
Okay. That fresh cut roses, man.